Do you ever step into your garden and think, if only I could make this little patch of earth feel magical without spending a fortune? Well, today's your day. I'm about to share with you 15 genius Dollar Tree hacks that can transform your garden into a place that looks like it came straight out of a magazine without breaking the bank. Now, I have to tell you this, don't wander off before hack number 10 because that one, well, let's just say it's so clever, you'll want to show it off to your neighbors, your friends, and maybe even your grandchildren. Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the Golden Years Lifestyle Hub. Thank you for spending this little pocket of time with me today. I know your days are precious, and I'm honored to share some garden joy with you. Now, these ideas I'm about to show you are simple, affordable, and perfect for anyone. Whether you've been gardening for decades or you're just beginning, they don't require heavy lifting, fancy tools, or a big budget, just a little creativity and a smile. And before we dive in, if you enjoy discovering easy and budget-friendly garden tricks, don't forget to give this video a like, drop a kind comment, and subscribe to the channel. It helps our little community grow and make sure more gardeners, whether they're in the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, or anywhere in the world, can join in and feel right at home here. Hack 1: Dollar Tree Solar Pathway Light Magic. Alright, let's begin with one of the simplest but most magical garden projects, Dollar Tree Solar Pathway Lights. These little lights are only $1 or so each, and they're perfect for creating a warm, inviting glow in your garden. Here's what you do: pick up a few of these lights, remove the bottom stakes and slip the tops into thrifted mason jars or even Dollar Tree tin planters. Set them along your walkway or porch, and just like that, your garden has a welcoming glow every evening. And here's a bonus tip: wrap the bases with faux ivy garlands, also from Dollar Tree, to give it that charming storybook look. No plugs, no wires, and no electrician needed unless you count plugging it into the sun. Hack 2: Hanging Basket Upgrade with Coconut Liners. Now let's add a touch of elegance. Dollar Tree sells those simple wire baskets, right? Well, with a coconut liner and a bit of potting soil, you've got yourself a classy hanging basket that looks like something from a high-end nursery. Fill it with trailing petunias, ivy, or even strawberries, and you've instantly created a gorgeous feature that makes any porch or patio feel alive. Here's my favorite part: you can hang 3 of them at different heights for a cascading effect. It's like having your own little waterfall of blooms right outside your door. And friends, if these first 2 hacks already have your mind spinning with ideas, go ahead and tap that like button. It helps YouTube show this video to more senior gardeners who could use a little budget-friendly inspiration. Hack 3: Painted Terracotta-Look Planters. Here's one that will fool the eye and impress the neighbors. Those plastic planters from Dollar Tree may look cheap at first glance, but with a little matte spray paint, terracotta color, or even a soft gray, you can make them look like the real deal. Once they're painted, try rubbing a bit of white chalk over the surface and smudging it with your fingers. That gives them a weathered Mediterranean feel, like something you'd find in a Tuscan courtyard. The beauty is, they're light, easy to move, and you can have an entire row of elegant-looking pots for just a few dollars. Hack 4: Garden Tool Holder from a Shower Caddy. Now, let's solve a problem we've all faced: losing track of our little tools. You go out to prune something, and by the time you turn around, your clippers have gone missing. Well, Dollar Tree shower caddies make the perfect garden tool organizers. Just hang one on the side of your shed, fence, or even a porch railing. Slip your gloves in one pocket, your trowel in another, and maybe even a spray bottle for good measure. Here's a bonus idea: pick up waterproof tags from Dollar Tree and label each spot so you'll always know where things belong. No more wandering around the garden muttering, "Now where on earth did I leave that spade?" Hack 5: Fairy Garden Using Teacups and Trinkets. Here's a whimsical one, because gardens should spark joy, not just chores. Take a few teacups, saucers, or little trinkets you can find at Dollar Tree and build yourself a tiny fairy garden. Add a little moss, a few pebbles, maybe a miniature bench or tiny figurines, and suddenly you've got a magical corner tucked away. If you have grandchildren, this one is pure gold. Invite them to check on the fairies when they visit. It becomes a little memory-making tradition they'll never forget. And even if it's just for you, sitting outside with a cup of tea and a tiny fairy world at your feet is enough to make you smile. Hack 6: DIY Drip Watering with Plastic Bottles. Now let's get practical. Watering can be tiring, especially when the heat makes it feel like the plants are drinking faster than we can pour. Dollar Tree plastic bottles are the perfect solution. Here's how: poke a few tiny holes in the cap of a plastic bottle, fill it with water, and bury it upside down near the roots of your plants. The water will drip slowly into the soil, keeping it moist without you needing to lug the watering can back and forth all day. Here's a bonus tip: add just a touch of vinegar to the water before filling. It helps keep algae from building up inside. Simple, cheap, and it saves your back. Hack 7: Dollar Tree trellis with bamboo stakes. Every garden needs a place for climbers, beans, cucumbers, or even sweet peas. But you don't need to spend big money on fancy trellises. Dollar Tree bamboo stakes are lightweight, affordable, and surprisingly sturdy. Here's what you do: grab a handful of stakes, arrange them like a teepee or in a crisscross pattern, and tie the tops together with twine. You've just created a climbing frame that your plants will love. And here's the charm: it doesn't just serve a purpose, it actually looks rustic and inviting, almost like something you'd see in an old-fashioned cottage garden. And no, you don't need to be a carpenter, it's just you, some bamboo, and a little determination. Hack 8: Pebble stepping stones with decorative gems. Now let's add beauty underfoot. With Dollar Tree's decorative glass gems and some quick-set cement, you can create personalized stepping stones for your garden paths. Here's how: pour your cement into a simple mold. An old cake pan works just fine. While it's still wet, arrange the gems into shapes or patterns, maybe a flower, a star, or even the initials of your loved ones. Once it sets, you've got a one-of-a-kind stepping stone. I like to think of these as memory markers. Each one tells a little story, whether it's a date, a name, or just a cheerful burst of color glistening in the sun. It's art you can walk on, and it costs next to nothing. Hack 9: Bird feeder from a Dollar Tree pie pan. Let's invite some feathered friends into the garden. All you need is a simple Dollar Tree pie pan and a bit of chain or sturdy string. Punch 3 or 4 holes near the rim of the pan, thread the chain through, and tie it together at the top to hang from a tree branch. Fill it with seeds, and just like that, you've got yourself a charming bird feeder. For an extra splash of style, paint the edges of the pan bright red or yellow. Cardinals, finches, and even butterflies are naturally drawn to those colors, so you'll have a little crowd gathering in no time. And of course, you get to enjoy the cheerful sound of birdsong right outside your window. Hack 10: The shocking hack: vertical shoe organizer garden. Now here it is, friends, the hack I promised you at the beginning. This one is so clever, you'll want to brag about it to everyone who visits your garden. Head to Dollar Tree and grab one of those over-the-door fabric shoe organizers. Instead of slipping shoes inside, hang it against a fence or sturdy wall outdoors. Fill each pocket with a scoop of potting soil and tuck in herbs, strawberries, or even flowers. What you've created is a living, breathing vertical garden for just a few dollars. Imagine stepping outside and plucking fresh basil, parsley, or mint right off the wall, or a wall of bright marigolds smiling at you every morning. It's neat, it's space-saving, and it looks like something straight out of a garden magazine. Hack 11: Decorative garden fence from wire panels. Every garden needs a little bit of structure, but that doesn't mean you have to spend big money on fancy fencing. Dollar Tree wire panels can be joined together with a few zip ties to create charming little garden borders. Use them to edge your flower beds, protect your veggies from curious pets, or simply to give your garden that finished look. And here's a fun twist: spray paint them gold, white, or even a cheerful green before setting them up. Suddenly your budget panels look like custom decor pieces. It's easy, it's light to carry, and you can move them around whenever you feel like giving your garden a new look. Hack 12: Glow-in-the-dark garden rocks. Now here's one that will delight you after sunset. Pick up some smooth stones at Dollar Tree, along with a little glow-in-the-dark paint. Brush the stones, let them dry, and place them along your walkway or in your flower beds. When night falls, they'll softly glow like fairy footsteps guiding your home. And here's the fun part: you can paint them with grandchildren, or even mark them with little inspirational words like hope, joy, or grow. It turns your evening garden into a magical retreat without spending more than a few dollars. Hack 13: DIY wind chimes with Dollar Tree utensils. Gardens aren't just for the eyes, they're for the ears too. Head to Dollar Tree and pick up a few metal utensils, spoons, forks, even butter knives. With a little fishing line or string, tie them to a wooden dowel or a simple ring, and hang the whole piece from a tree branch or porch. When the breeze passes through, you'll hear a cheerful, tinkling song, and if you'd like to add a little color, paint the handles with outdoor paint or thread some bright beads in between the utensils. It's whimsical, it's soothing, and it's the kind of sound that makes your garden feel alive even on the quietest afternoons. Hack 14. Butterfly Bath with Glass Dish. Now here's one that will bring even more life into your garden. Take a shallow glass dish from Dollar Tree, fill it with smooth pebbles, and add just enough water so the stones peek above the surface. Set it out in a sunny corner, and you've just created a butterfly bath. The pebbles give them a safe place to land, and the water offers a refreshing sip. For a bonus touch, add a few slices of orange or watermelon. Butterflies love the sweetness, and before long, you'll have a parade of delicate wings fluttering around your garden. It's peaceful, it's beautiful, and it turns your backyard into a true sanctuary. Hack 15. Garden signboards with Dollar Tree frames. Every garden deserves a personal touch, and this last hack adds a little personality. Pick up a few Dollar Tree picture frames or wooden plaques, paint them with cheerful sayings like "Bloom where you're planted" or "Welcome to my garden." Seal them with outdoor Mod Podge to protect against the weather, and place them among your flower beds, by the gate, or even on your porch. It's such a simple way to make your garden feel like an extension of you, welcoming, friendly, and full of charm. And here's the best part, you can change them with the seasons. Fresh sayings for spring, warm greetings for summer, and cozy notes for autumn. So my friends, today we've gone from glowing solar lanterns and fairy gardens, all the way to butterfly baths and cheerful garden signs, 15 little Dollar Tree tricks that prove you don't need a big budget to have a beautiful, joyful garden. And remember, gardening isn't about being perfect. It's about creating joy one small touch at a time. Every stone, every flower, every little project adds up to something that makes your heart happy. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these hacks will you be trying first, or maybe you've got your own clever Dollar Tree trick to share? Drop it in the comments below, we all learn from each other here, and don't forget, give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps YouTube recommend these ideas to other gardeners, especially seniors around the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and beyond who might be looking for inspiration. Thank you so much for spending this time with me at the Golden Years Lifestyle Hub. Every time you watch, comment, or share, you're not just supporting a channel, you're building a community where gardening is about joy, creativity, and connection. So until next time, keep smiling, keep creating, and keep blooming in your golden years. You are capable, you are appreciated, and your garden is as unique and wonderful as you are.